Welcome, my dear student. Now, here we try to prepare the videos for your practicals. In your sixth semester, you have practical of C lab, that is computer lab. Actually, the complete practicals of the C lab is hands-on session, but because of the COVID-19 situations, we are trying to work it on the online. I know that we can't perform the practical of C-Lab on online basis because they are all our the hands-on session, but we'll try to perform it and try to see that particular practical. Already share you all the materials of the experiment practicals manual, individual practicals of the computer C-Lab practicals, and also I insert the videos for each and every practice you have. So as per the list of the practical, our first practical is practical number 1, that is the study of different types of computer. Here in this practical we have to study the different types of computer, and if you see the different types of computer, in that the first one is a desktop computer, and desktop computer means our general computer that I think that in 90% of the student will already have the desktop computer, or the 100% of students will be dealing with the desktop computer. Now what is a desktop computer? Is a personal computer in the form of intended for the regular use in a single location of a desk or the table, and due to its size and power requirement, as opposed to the laptop, use a rechargeable battery and a compact dimension, and allow it to the most regularly carried and used in a different location. The most common configuration of the computer is a monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. And a case that house the main components of the PC is namely the power supply, motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, and a floppy drive also. The form factor of this case is typically the upright tower or the horizontal desktop all in one computer that the integrates the monitor and a main PC component in one unit are often categorized under the desktop computer with the umbrella, particularly if they require an external power source and a separate keyboard mouse. The desktop category has also encompassed with the home computers and the workstations, and this is a simple structural diagram of the desktop. After that, the second types is the laptop. If you discuss with a laptop, that laptop will normally use in the general part. This type of laptop we will use. In that, the laptop is we also called as the laptop as a notebook also. It is a portable personal computer with a calm shell form factor with a suitable for the mobile use. And laptop is commonly used for the variety of setting, including the work in education and personal multimedia. The laptop is the diverse category of a device, and other more specific terms such as roach, notebook, and convertible refer to the specialized types of desktop which have been optimized for the specific uses. The hardware specification changes significantly between the different types. It makes and modes of a laptop. Third type is a mainframe computer, which is collectively referred to by the big iron, are the computer which is used primarily by the large organizations for the critical applications. When you have to process the bulk data, in that situation, this mainframe computer will be used. And normally it is used for the industry purpose, whereas the consumer statistic, enterprise resources planning, and transaction processing. In that case, the mainframe computer will be used. The next type is the workstation. The workstation is the special computer which is designed for the technical and scientific application. Whenever you have to perform the technical and scientific application, we'll try to use a workstation. Intended primarily to be used by a person at a time. They are commonly connected to the local area network, that is the LAN, and run a multi-user operating system. The term workstation has also been used loosely to refer to everything from the mainframe computer terminal to a PC connected to a network. But the most common form is referred to the group of hardware offered by the server, and that is the workstation, which is normally used in 1990s centuries. Then the next is a server. A server is a running instance of an application of that is software capable of accepting the request from the different client and giving the response accordingly. The server can run or on any computer, including the dedicated computer, which is individually are also often referred to as a server. The server operates within the client server architecture. The server are the computer program running to serve the request of the program, and the client, the server perform some tasks on behalf of a clients. If the facilities the clients are to be shared the data information or any hardware software resources, the client typically connect to the server through the network, but the many run of the same computer. In the context, the IP, that is the Internet Protocol networking, a server is a program that operates on a stack case listener. This is simply the that server, the computer. And the next is the client. A client is a piece of a computer, hardware or a software that accesses the service made available by the server. The server is often on another computer system, in which the case the client access the service by the way of a network, and the term applies the program to the device that a part of a client. This is simply a client. In the client, if you observe that particularly, it has a different computer along with the client, and that client is connected to the server. And the next last type is a thin client. The thin client is also called as a lane or the slim client. Is a computer or the computer program that depends heavily on the another computer, that is on server, to fulfill the computational rules. This is in the form or different from the traditional computer. This is the thin client. In thin client, we observe that one server having the number of thin clients or more than 3 to 4 thin clients. This is all about the different types of computer. Here, in this way, we will study the unit practical number first. That is the types of PC. Okay, thank you very much.